We studied screen navigation in the last tutorial. In this tutorial, we will study how to pass data from one screen to another. For that, we will study two methods: passing parameters using constructors and passing parameters using named routes. Passing parameters using constructors. You can pass parameters by creating a constructor in the destination screen and providing the required arguments when navigating to it. To demonstrate this, create a new project. For now, add nothing in the body except for a center widget. Next, create a destination screen. Create a new Dart file named detailscreen.dart. Import material.dart. Then create a stateless widget class named detailscreen. Declare a variable for the parameter. Include that variable in the constructor, which is used for passing the parameter. Use required this.data. Inside the build function, return a scaffold widget. Create an app bar and set a title named Details Screen. Then create the body. Create a text widget inside a center widget. Display the passed variable data in that text widget. Use the dollar symbol to display the variable value in Dart. Open the main.dart file and create an elevated button to navigate to the new page and pass the variable. Set an anonymous function in onPressed. Set a button text. Then call the navigator.push method that we studied earlier. Set the route with material page route. Call the detail screen class in the builder. Here, we pass the parameter, which is a string data. Import detailscreen.dart. Pass a string value as the parameter. Add a semicolon at the end. Then run the app. Click the button. It will move to the details screen, and the passed value will be displayed in the text. Then we will study how to pass multiple data to another screen using a constructor. Here, we declare three parameters with different data types: string, integer, and double. Pass the three parameters in the constructor. Open main.dart file, and pass the new variables in the detail screen class. Title is a string value, ID is an integer, and price is a double. Then open the detail screen file and display the passed variables. Adding a new line character between each value. Then run the app. Go to the details screen. The passed values are displayed on the new page. Passing parameters using named routes. Then we are going to study another method using named parameters. First, we remove all the parameters from the constructor. We are using the same files to study the new method. Remove the displayed variables as well. Remove the parameters from the main.dart file too. First, we create a named route in the Material App widget. We already studied that in the last tutorial video. The route name is detail, and it calls the detail screen class. Then change the buttons on pressed function to navigator.pushNamed. Use the route name detail here. Then set the new parameter arguments to pass the data. Here, we pass a string value. Next, open the details screen.dart file. Declare a string variable to receive the passed string value. String data. Retrieve the data using modalRoute.of, context.settings.arguments. Then convert it to a string. Finally, display that data in a text widget. Run the app and go to the Details screen. The past data is displayed on the new screen. Next, we will pass multiple data using the pushNamed function. Remove this single parameter. We are passing multiple data with different data types. There are many methods for doing that, but we will use one of the easiest ways. For that, we create a new class in a new file. File name is detailarguments.dart. Class name is detailarguments. Create variables that we need to pass through the pushNamed function. 3 variables: string title, int id, double price. Then create the constructor with these 3 parameters. Save and go to the main.dart file. The route is already created and called. We need changes in the arguments section. In the arguments parameter, we call our new class detailarguments and pass values to its constructor. We need to import that class file at the top. Then pass 3 values: title, ID, and price. Open detailscreen.dart and receive the data and display it. Receive it as our created class type detailarguments. We need to import the class file. The variable name is args, and retrieve it using modalroute.of, context.settings.arguments. Values are available in the args variable. Title is args.title, for ID args.id. Separate data with new lines. Price is args.price. Then run the app. Go to the Details screen. Past values are displayed in the Details screen. These are the 2 ways to pass values between screens. We have another way to access declared variables throughout the app, which we will study in the future. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.